Hello, let's work on the short U sound. Do you remember what sound and motion we make for short U? Maybe this will help. Point up to Uncle Upton hanging upside down in the umbrella tree. Now we know that the short U sound can be at the beginning of words, like uncle, Upton, umbrella, umbrella tree, and umpire. But did you know that the short U sound can also be in the middle of words? This tub contains objects that have the short U sound in the middle of the words. Let's make a prediction. What do you think is inside of the tub? Think, think, think. I know the word sun has a short U sound in the middle. I bet there's a sun inside this tub. I can think of the word bug has a short U sound in the middle. I bet there's a bug inside of the tub. Would you like to see what's inside? Okay. What is this? It's a mug. What sound do you hear in the middle of the word mug? What letter makes the sound in the middle of mug? U. What is this? It's a truck. What sound do you hear in the middle of truck? What letter makes the sound in the middle of truck? U. What is this? It's a ladybug. What sound do you hear in the middle of bug? What letter makes the sound in the middle of bug? U. What is this? It's a sun. What sound do you hear in the middle of sun? What letter makes the sound in the middle of sun? U. What is this? It's a rug. We can also call it a mat, but let's call it a rug right now. What sound do you hear in the middle of rug? What letter makes the sound in the middle of rug? U. What is this? It's a skunk. What sound do you hear in the middle of skunk? What letter makes the sound in the middle of skunk? The letter U. I have a text-to-self connection. One time, my dog and I got sprayed by a skunk. That's a text-to-self connection. Now it's time to draw. Draw a picture of things that have the short U sound in the middle. They could be the objects that we just went over, like mug, skunk, truck, bug, rug, and sun. Or you can think of your own words that have the short U sound in the middle. Be sure to label your picture. Have fun. Bye.